So this is the final video in our 3-video series today. We've already covered how do I solve problems that involve discount and tax, and how do I solve problems with 2 discounts. So this video is going to cover that third question. How do I solve problems that involve a tip and tax? So as you can see, this is problem 25 on your assignment. We have an original price of $120. We're paying a tip of 40%, and we're going to pay 5% in tax. Tip and tax are different because we don't pay a tip on tax, and we don't pay tax on what we're tipping. So we need to figure these out as 2 separate things and then put them together. They're both going to use this $120, so I can write that into both places too. Let's start with the tip. We know the tip is 40%. I am going to figure it out using that original 40% because in the end I'm going to add it to the number I get after tax. So I'm going to just use this number straight, 40. So what we get is we get 120 times 40 divided by 100. And that gives us a value of 48. So we're going to be paying $48 in tip. Now we're going to leave that alone for a second. We're going to come over and we're going to figure out the tax. Remember, when we're doing tax, we have the original price and then we add on the tax amount. So this is 5 and this is 100. So we're going to actually figure it out for 105%. Now all I have to do is cross multiply. So 120 times 105 divided by 100. And that's going to give us a value of $126. Now I'm not done. I have to put these 2 numbers together. I'm going to take the amount that I got after tax, which is 126. I'm going to add onto it the amount that I am going to give as a tip, which is 48, and then that will be my final answer. So when all is said and done, what I'm actually going to end up paying here is $174. That includes my tip and my tax.